and I called the sales representative, and I said, I'm sorry, but the computers are really useless. And I told him what I thought of the computer, what the computers were unable to do. I said, oh dear sir, I'm really appalled, but I really appreciate it. Nobody ever told us anything, because the name is there, the brand is there, and they live by the brand, and they did absolutely nothing else. So people stopped buying IBM because they were no good. They realized, like I did, that they were really no good, they only had the name. Now, they bought up by the Chinese, and they made the best of by the Chinese. Now, that's another poor example. I wanted to purchase some servers. Again, when I went to IBM, I called them, and they said, oh, you got to tell us what you do in the server. I said, I know the specification I want you to build me a server. I said, oh no, we cannot build it for you unless you can tell us what you need it for. So I said, no, I don't have the time for that. If I know the specification, I'm just asking you to build me a server. That's it. And that's it. That was the end of the conversation. So what did I do? I just go and get someone to build me a server, my own engineers to build me a server. So, complacency. You're doing something.